tired of celebrating your birthday the same old way? I'm here to give you 2 ways that can change the way you celebrate your birthday. Hi, I'm Tammy. My husband Barry and I have had over 25 years of experience with families that have kids and teenagers, and we are here to give you some helpful hacks that will help your family be more creative and have fun and enjoy each other. Today, I want to talk to you about 2 ways that you can celebrate your birthday. Whether you're just sick of celebrating your birthday because you're reaching the higher ages, or it's just becoming mundane, these 2 ways will be guaranteed to give you a twist and surprise your mom and dad. The number 1 way is, when it's your birthday, think about it. You were born, but who went through the pain and the trauma of that? Your mom, and possibly your dad if they were in the room. One year, I made a twist on this and I sent my mom the most beautiful bouquet of flowers. I had them delivered, even though we live locally, but you can also go to the store and pick up a bouquet of their favorite colors. On the card, I said, "Mom, thanks so much for having me. Happy birthday." Because really, it's her birth. She gave birth to me. I had nothing to do with it. I just came because it was my natural time to come. Now, you may say, well, that was the most traumatic day of your life. And it probably is, but you don't remember it. Your mom, on the other hand, does. So what a great way to celebrate your birthday by thanking the person that went through all the pain to bring you on this earth. That's idea number 1. Idea number 2 is to sit down and write a thoughtful letter to your parents. Whether they're your God-given parents, whether they're your adoptive parents, or parents that really raised you like a mom and dad. Sitting down and writing them a note or a letter explaining how appreciative you are of your faith, your heritage, the lessons they taught you, the unconditional love they gave you, that will be priceless. You can go a step further if you want and frame that letter or have it specially made with some beautiful handwriting, but that's not needed. It's above and beyond. You can just mail it or hand it to them. Both these ideas will take the focus off of your birthday and celebrate the parents that gave you life. Whether you choose to give flowers or write the helpful note or do both, these are sure ways that will help you celebrate your birthday in an exciting, twistful way. We hope that you enjoy these helpful hacks and hints, and we hope that you will be intentional with your family. Be sure to like us on Facebook and YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe so that you never forget one of our videos. Again, we want to pass the word and share our news to everybody. Please comment though if you have other ideas about your birthday, how you celebrated your birthday in a very unique way. We love to hear other ideas, and we would love to do those ideas too. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time with Family with Purpose.